Back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. It is Thursday, April 1st. I want to talk about Castor Maritime, give you guys an update on CTRM, let you guys know how I'm feeling about this stock. Again, this stock is down to 73 cents at the time of this video, down 3% on the day, another 2% after hours. And if we take a look at the chart here for CTRM, we can see that this stock did actually hit to almost $2 on February 11th and has since completely fallen off since then. And again, this stock back at the beginning of the year was trading around 20 cents. So to 73 cents is still pretty good, but given the point of where it was at $1.95 as a high, given it's fallen down to 73 cents, I think a lot of people are starting to lose a little bit of confidence in Castor Maritime. And actually 2 days ago they released their financial results for the 3 months and the year end December 31st 2020. So I want to talk quickly about those and just give my overall updated opinions on this stock here. So Castor Maritime, you guys, if you aren't familiar, dry bulk shipping company, coal, sugars, grains, things like that, ship around the world, and they've actually grown their fleet of vessels tremendously this year, the year 2021. If you can see here, these are the vessels that they have. A lot of vessels, you guys. And if you take a look at just some of the press releases that they've been releasing, it's like almost every press release is the announcement of a new vessel. So this is really when the stock started to pop up, around the time this direct offering was announced. And as you can see here, January 20th, a vessel acquired. February 1st, another vessel. February 3rd, another vessel. 11th, another 2 vessels. February 18th, another vessel. March 3rd, another vessel. March 10th, another vessel. March 12th, they announced the delivery of a vessel. March 19th, deliveries of 2 new vessels. March 23rd, another vessel. And then, obviously, 2 days ago, they announced the financial results. I just wanted to go over these. So, here's some of the highlights, you guys, from the fourth quarter ended December 31st. So, this is from the fourth quarter. Revenues net 4.4 million for the 3 months ended December 31st, as compared to 2.8 million for the 3 months ended December 31st, 2019, which is a 57 period to period increase. So 57%, you guys, from 2019 to 2020 in the same period. So that is positive. Net loss of around 0.8 million for the 3 months, as compared to a net income of 0.5 million for those 3 months in 2019. Obviously, that might have to do with the COVID-19 pandemic, as this, they were severe. Castor Maritime, you guys, was pretty affected by the COVID-19 pandemic initially. So just keep that in mind. Then the loss earnings per common share, 0.01 loss per share for the 3 months, as compared to the earnings per share of 0.20 for the 3 months in 2019. And the EBITDA, 0.3 million for the 3 months compared to 1.1 million for the 3 months, or a 73% period to period decrease, which is somewhat beneficial to look at as well. But for me, you guys, when I take a look at these financials, I look at Castor Maritime, and you can see that the revenue is up, but obviously the net loss income is down. So I think this shows that, again, Castor Maritime still not profitable, but they are generating revenue, and they're doing this. This is before pretty much they acquired these 8 vessels that they've acquired in 2021. So they were the financials, you guys. I take the financials away, and I look at moving forward, and I think it's very significant the room that Castor Maritime has to grow here, right? So obviously, even the CEO of Castor Maritime says 2020 was a very challenging year, with significant disruptions in the global trade flows and in the working environment, which we are still experiencing as we strive to ensure the timely and safe repatriation of our seafarers. Despite these challenges, we progressed on our growth strategy and decisively executed on our plans. This success is a testament to our dedication and the strength of our business. So, again, he also continues to say, in 2020, we doubled our fleet size, growing from 3 vessels to 6 vessels by year's end. This growth has continued into 2021 with the addition, once all deliveries are complete, of another 8 vessels, increasing the size of our fleet to 14 vessels. So they generated more revenue in 2020 than they did 2019, right? and that was growing their fleet from 3 to 6. Now they've grown it from 6 to 14 already, and we're only in April of 2021. So to me, if you do the math, makes complete sense why I think there's still room for Castor Maritime to grow here. Again, just want to reiterate that this is a volatile stock. A penny stock like this has been extremely volatile since the run up, and I do want to remind you guys to please invest your money at your own risk. But I do like a price entry point of somewhere around 50 cents if it does get that low. I think that's a very, very strong entry point. It could even get lower than that. If it can get lower than 50 cents, I would absolutely jump on it. Maybe 1/10 of the money I'm willing to invest. But again, financials came out, you guys, and I think it's positive for Castor Maritime based on what I've been reading about the financials. And then again, in combination with the acquiring of the numerous vessels, you guys, over the last couple months, I think it's well positioned in Castor Maritime to grow and grow over the course of time. Again, this will be, it's a, I don't want to say this is necessarily a completely a long-term hold, but it's one of those stocks where if you make a decent profit, you want to pull the money you originally invested and then play around with the money that you gained, the profits. One of those stocks where I think it could be a mid to semi long-term hold if depending the stock, the growth of the stock. Also, I do believe that the niche and the industry and the sector, I guess, that Castor Maritime is in, the dry bulk shipping niche and the maritime niche, is very lucrative and one that is going to continue to grow. And I believe that the rates for shipping Baltic Dry Exchange are at all-time highs. So that is very positive as well. So let me know in the comments below if you guys happen to get in CTRM and what price you guys got in Castor Maritime. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please, you guys, drop a like on this video. And as always, have a great day.